everything starts to change, you can trust that I will stay the same.
This Friday night at 1:80, we are inviting you all along to come and hear Naomi Gordon at United Praise. There's going to be worship and word. It's going to be an awesome night. So come along at 8:15 for that United Praise.
I'll never leave you or forsake you, and I'm gonna keep on.
So today is your last chance to book in for our Courageous Men event, which is happening next Saturday evening. It's going to be a great event. We're going to have just a great time together, just sharing fellowship together. We're going to play some games, we're going to watch a film, and we're going to have some takeaway as well. It's £10, and you can pick up a form from the back to fill in the information about what takeaway you would like and give that back to us with your money. But today really is the last day to book in, so please make sure that you become a part of that, and we'll see you next Saturday for Courageous Men.
I know you'll save the day, you'll be right there by my side. When the weight's too much to bear.
That's everything for XL News for this week. Make sure you check out our website, xlchurch.org.uk, or if you visitor here with us this morning, then please go and speak to one of our welcome team and they'll give you more details about everything that goes on here. We hope you have a fantastic week, and we'll see you back next Sunday for some more XL News.